Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the to-do app in the React using the Supabase. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we are going to create a to-do table in the Supabase. So you have to just copy this and go to our Supabase SQL editor and just paste it. I think this is the to-dos part, right? So and to just run to do's already exist. Okay, so why it's not showing the data over here? Yeah, now it's showing. Okay, so first of all we have to create the table, and this is our table which requires the id, text completed and created. Enable role level security, so alter the table and create the policies, okay, for the public access, right? So this we have to do. Okay, the next step, step is supabase.ts file. You have to create lib supabase.ts file, and here we have to add the supabase url and the supabase anon key. Okay, so this is very important. After this, let's move to the main project, that is the to do one. Okay, so if you want to use the Tailwind css, so according to it you have to install the Tailwind css, which here you can see that the I have used the Supabase, Tailwind White, right? Tailwind CSS. So this you have to go with that one. And if I go to the app.main.tsx, so here we have index, and in the index.js, let me open this. Here you can see that we have import the Tailwind CSS here, right? So it will use we will use it all over the project. Okay. So step by step assets, no need. Then we have to create components, then to do form. So here you can see that we have a to do. If you go and just check this one, so here you can see that we have a to do form, right? So here we have the add to do, edit and the delete, right? So first of all, here you can see that we have a states, right? On click of add. Okay, so on add text dot trim and the set the text, right? So when I click on add, so whatever I'm going to add here, you can see it's added there, right? And the same thing, if I go to the table also, here we have the database, tables, to do's. Let's open the to do table. How I can view table editor? So two records are added, and here you can see that the two records are there, right? Okay, so this is that one, add. And here we have a form which is basically the input first. So here you can see that input and the button add to do. Okay, first one. Then listing, so here you can see that we have to go with our listing. So here you can see this is a list with input checkbox, right? If there is a editing, so if I you can go and just check if edit, so it go in edit mode, right? So the input will be in edit mode and the autofocus, right? And then we have a save button, and then we have a cancel button, save and the cancel. Otherwise there would be a edit and the delete one. Okay, and on the behalf of it we have a function. Okay, and here you can see that the or we have to do update or delete. So on handle save there is a calling of on update function. Okay, on update we are going to just update that one, edit the text. Okay, and set is editing to be false, and if there is a cancel, okay, so no need to do anything. Okay, so here we have an interface, we have the to do items prop. Okay, on update and on delete. Okay, respective we are doing the function call and sending the updates. Okay, and by default we have set the states, and on click on the save, if there is a edit.text.trim, then we are going to update, else no need. Okay, so this is that one. And then the last one is that one, to do list. So if there is a no to do, then no to do's are there, otherwise we are just looping to do's dot map. and showing the data, and this is the to do item. To do item is already there. Okay, so we are calling this one to do item, right? Full object, this one, which requires the checkbox and everything. So here you can see that to do item. Okay, with this checkbox with save and cancel, so we are just calling and we are passing the key to do on update and on delete. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Anything else I forgot? And there is a hook that we are using, whether the change is received, not received, fetch to do, add to do, which is a main file that is called API calls, okay, by the Supabase. So this is the main file. Okay, so here you can see that the use to do's use by default state, and this is the to do interface. Okay, which have ID text completed on this one. Okay, so we have added the interface. After that, fetch to do's first in the use effect, subscribe to the changes if there is a change, right? After that, return remove the channel, fetch to do's, this is the API. Await dot Supabase from to do's, select star order by created at. Okay, then add to do, so we have to call this one to insert the data text completed false to be the database. Same to update with ID, so you have to pass the ID, and if you want to delete that one, just delete and equivalent to ID you have to pass. Okay, and you have to just export that one. The to do's loading, add to do, update to do, and delete to do, because here you can see that update to do is there in the list. So list, not this, there is on add, I think I see that. On update is there, on update or delete, right? Okay, so by using this one you are able to create that one. If I can edit this one and save this, here you can see that it is edited. And if I go to the Supabase also, if I just reload this one, it is edited, right? So if you want make any kind of to do, whether it's to be a CRUD or something, you can make it like this. And if I want to delete this one, you can delete that one, and the Supabase also it is deleted. Okay, so if you want that project, right, so just let me know in the comment section. I'll send the whole project to you, and you can understand that project. If any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.